Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to display dual clock in your Android home screen. Let's get started. First of all, you can press and hold any empty area on your home screen. Then the screen will look like this, and you can choose widgets right here. And you gotta choose clock. Just tap on the clock, and then you can slide your screen until you find dual clock, and it's right here. You can simply click on add option. Just click on add option right here and wait for a moment. It's still loading, and you can add city to your clock. You can click on this search button to add the city that you like, and for example, I'm going to add Jakarta. Alright, and after that, click on add right here. And for the second city right here, just click on it. You can add the second city. You can click on this search button. Then I'm going to add New York. Alright, and you can click on change after you choose the city that you like. Alright, and to finish this tab, you can click on save button right here. Alright guys, that's how we can display dual clock in our home screen on Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.